Yo, my people, it's Highblues FS and it's your boy Steve Vino, and welcome you back to our YouTube channel. This is your first time on our YouTube channel, or if this is your first time watching our YouTube video, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, and we also want to thank you guys for having 1,000 subscribers. We've hit 1,000 subscribers, and we are happy to inform you that we have hit the 1,000 subscriber. We want to take this channel to the next level, so keep sharing our content to your social media account. Keep sharing it to your friends who are actually trading, so that they too can benefit what you are benefiting from this channel. That is your way. That is one way you guys can actually show that you appreciate what we are doing, guys. So a lot of people have been on my DM asking me how they actually can fund their binary account using Bitcoin, and some have also asked how they can withdraw their fund using BTC, and that is the reason why we've taken our time to make this video for you guys, so you guys can know how you can create a Bitcoin account in binary.com platform, and how you can also withdraw your funds in BTC through binary.com platform. I can assure you guys that the most easiest way and the most quickest way to withdraw from binary is through BTC. It doesn't take time. Trust me. Now let's get started. If you want to create a Bitcoin account in binary, all you have to do is you click on this arrow here. So I click on this arrow right now, because I already have BTC account. That is why you're seeing it here. But if you have not created BTC account, you're not going to see it here. All you have to do is simply to click on create account. So when you click on create account, a pop-up box will come up where you can actually create a Bitcoin account in binary.com platform. This time you do not need to create a password or a username. Just click on create account, select Bitcoin, and you are good to go. My network is not friendly, so after clicking on create account, you just select Bitcoin and then you create account. Now that is all. It's simple as that. That is just a simple way to create a Bitcoin account. Now after creating a Bitcoin account, for you to withdraw your funds using BTC is quite simple. It's quite simple also. Now after creating your Bitcoin account, if you want to withdraw your money in Bitcoin, all you have to do is simply click on this arrow. You click on this arrow here also. So we click on it, then you click on transfer between accounts. This allows you to transfer your money from from CRO account to MetaTrader 5 or to your Bitcoin account. Now you click on transfer between account if you want to withdraw with BTC. So I click on it right now. So you see transfer funds between your real money accounts. Now I can decide to transfer funds to my transfer from CRO account. So what I will do right now, transfer to CRO account BTC. So I'm going to transfer the money right now. Look at it here. So because I already have Bitcoin account, that is why it's showing up. So if you have created your Bitcoin account with binary, this will pop up. So all you need to do is just simply to fill in the amount of USD you want to transfer to your binary account, and you are good to go. So right now let me click on okay, there's $120 there. So I'm gonna click on $100. Let me transfer $100. Let me just make it $110. So I'm going to transfer $110 right now. I'm going to make a transfer of $110. So I'm going to transfer $110 from my CRO account to my BTC account. So transfer. So you see guys, have made the transfer. I see current balance on my BTC account. Here is my current balance on my BTC account. Now for us to withdraw the money in my BTC account, we go back again and click on BTC account. So you click on BTC account. Okay guys, so this is it guys, BTC account. Now you click on, now if I want to withdraw this, simply click here, go to your cacha. So I go to my cacha, then I click on withdraw. So I click on withdraw BTC. So a mail has been sent to my email, so I have to go to my email and complete the transaction there. But before then, I will also have to go and copy my wallet address. Let me go copy my wallet address. Now I'm going to put the money here in my freebitco.in platform. This is a great platform. It's a nice platform where you can actually keep your BTC. If you know that you don't really need the Bitcoin and you don't need, like, if you just want to leave your BTC there, instead of leaving it in your wallet address, you can actually keep it here and it will be giving you money. They will be paying you for keeping your Bitcoin with them. As you can see, I have some Bitcoin here too, almost I think it's about 110 or so, what, $110 worth of BTC, I think. Yeah, now let me just show you guys. Let me in BTC, in BTC, in BTC. Look at it guys, look at it. So it's working. This is a way of any BTC. You just have to keep your BTC with them and they give you some percentage every day. So take a look at it guys, take a look. This is the amount of BTC I've been earning for the past couple of days. So you just keep your BTC. Instead of keeping your BTC in your wallet address, you can keep it here in freebitco.in website. It's legit. It's a legit site. Trust me, it is a legit site. So you can just keep your Bitcoin here and you get paid for doing so. So I'm going to drop a link in the description box on how you can actually register with freebitco.in. I'm going to drop a link in the description box so you guys can register using that link and just for deposit on your free Bitcoin account, and you get paid for doing so. You get paid a little bonus. So you are being paid some interest for keeping your money with them. Now as you can see, today is 7 July 2020, and you can see the profit. You can see the profit for today. I don't do anything. It's just because my Bitcoin is here in their platform and that is why I'm being paid. So guys, I want to add this Bitcoin also to it. I really don't have any use for it for now, so I'm going to add it to it guys. So let me just click on, okay, let me click on deposit. I'm going to deposit. So click on deposit and I generate a new deposit address. Okay, so I have to copy it and copy. So I'm done. So to complete our withdrawal, I have to go to my mail and look for the withdrawal email link. So this is my Gmail account. So this is the, so guys, this is the verification link. So let's click on it. Let's click on it to complete the withdrawal process. So this is it guys. So we have to click, for us to complete the withdrawal process using BTC, we have to enter our BTC address here and enter the amount we want to withdraw in BTC here. So I've already copied the BTC wallet, my wallet address, so I'm just going to paste it right here, and then you type the amount of BTC you want to withdraw. So right now I'm having 0.01144,914. So I'm going to withdraw everything 0.1114914. Let me see, 0.01144,914, 0.11, okay, 0.011. Okay,
So we have 0.0.01144,914. So that is it. So all we have to do now is just click on the withdraw. So I click on withdraw. So it's done. It's now in pending transaction. So you can see right now I've completed the withdrawal process. All I just have to do now is wait. I just have to wait. By this can happen 30 minutes time, the withdrawal will be approved, or 30 minutes time. By tomorrow they will send the payment to my wallet address. So this is just a simple way you can actually withdraw using BTC. It's the most easiest and simplest and also quickest way to withdraw from binary broker, or from excuse me, or from Deriv broker. So this is it, guys. So this is where we're gonna stop our video for today. We are actually working on a strategy, so we're gonna post a new strategy very soon. So keep sharing our videos, keep sharing our content to your social media. Let's take this shiny to the next level. Continue our video right now. It's still your boy Steve Vino, and I'm signing out. Peace.